Environment and Biodiversity Current Affairs MCQs. 1. Which state has topped in the Management Effectiveness Evaluation, (ME), of national parks and wildlife sanctuaries for 2020 to 2025? A. Kerala. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Maharashtra. D. Karnataka. Correct answer, A. Kerala. 2. Which state has recorded the highest number of faunal discoveries in 2024? A. Maharashtra. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Kerala. D. Karnataka. Correct answer, C. Kerala. 3. Faxiolara smithi, that was recently seen in news, belongs to which species? A. Deep sea eel. B. Spider. C. Frog. D. Ant. Correct answer, A. Deep sea eel. 4. A rare electric blue bird grandula was recently spotted in which state? A. Sikkim. B. Assam. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Odisha. Correct answer, C. Himachal Pradesh. 5. A rare pale-capped pigeon was recently spotted at which national park in Assam? A. Kaziranga National Park. B. Orang National Park. C. Manas National Park. D. Dihing Patkai National Park. Correct answer, D. Dihing Patkai National Park. 6. Philidia ovata and Philidia fontagei, that were recently seen in news, belongs to which species? A. Sea slugs. B. Spider. C. Flowering plant. D. Frog. Correct answer, A. Sea slugs. 7. Charmigastrodia rikensis, that was recently seen in news, belongs to which species? A. Frog. B. Spider. C. Butterfly. D. Orchid. Correct answer, D. Orchid. 8. The Matri Van initiative is launched under which central program? A. Green India Mission. B. Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam. C. National Urban Forestry Plan. D. Vriksh Bandhan Yojana. Correct answer, B. Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam. 9. Kasragodia shibai and Pilata vaman, that were recently seen in news, belongs to which species? A. Frog. B. Spider. C. Crab. D. Fish. Correct answer, C. Crab. 10. Dibru-Sakhova National Park is located in which state? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Nagaland. C. Manipur. D. Assam. Correct answer, D. Assam. 11. Where was the foundation stone of Namo Van laid to mark Wildlife Week 2025? A. Jaipur, Rajasthan. B. Manesar, Haryana. C. Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. D. Chandigarh, Punjab. Correct answer, B. Manesar, Haryana. 12. Bridgeoporus kannadi is a new species of fungi discovered in which state? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Sikkim. C. Nagaland. D. Tripura. Correct answer, A. Arunachal Pradesh. 13. What is the main objective behind declaring the Southern Ridge as a reserved forest in Delhi? A. Industrial expansion. B. Urban housing development. C. Tourism promotion. D. Pollution control and strengthening the environment. Correct answer, D. Pollution control and strengthening the environment. 14. Lagoscelas Hayao Miyazaki, that was recently seen in news, belongs to which species? A. Frog. B. Snake. C. Spider. D. Snail. Correct answer, D. Snail. 15. The new fish species Pseudorhombus bahudensis was discovered in which state? A. Odisha. B. Goa. C. Kerala. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer, A. Odisha. 16. The Atlas moth, Attacus atlas, the world's largest moth, was recently spotted in which state? A. Gujarat. B. Karnataka. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer, B. Karnataka. 17. Hastinapur Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Maharashtra. D. Karnataka. Correct answer, B. Uttar Pradesh. 18. The newly discovered species of slender gecko named Hemiphiladactylus venkatadri was found in which state? A. Maharashtra. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Kerala. D. Karnataka. Correct answer, B. Andhra Pradesh. 19. Which country has been hit by Hurricane Melissa? A. Jamaica. B. China. C. Japan. D. Mexico. Correct answer, A. Jamaica. 20. The Indian mouse deer was recently spotted at which wildlife sanctuary in Maharashtra? A. Tungreshwar Wildlife Sanctuary. B. Radhanagiri Wildlife Sanctuary. C. Koina Wildlife Sanctuary. D. Bhima Shankar Wildlife Sanctuary. Correct answer, A. Tungreshwar Wildlife Sanctuary. 21. A rare lizard species named Beddoes cat skink, that was recently seen in news, is endemic to which region of India? A. Himalayas. B. Eastern Ghats. C. Western Ghats. D. Sundarbans. Correct answer, C. Western Ghats. 22. Where was the foundation stone of Namo Van laid to mark Wildlife Week 2025? A. Jaipur, Rajasthan. B. Manasar, Haryana. C. Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. D. Chandigarh, Punjab. Correct answer, B. Manasar, Haryana. 23. The Ichmati River, that was recently seen in news, is a transboundary river flowing through India and which country? A. Nepal. B. Bangladesh. C. Pakistan. D. Bhutan. Correct answer, B. Bangladesh. 24. Bhavani River, that was recently seen in news, is a major tributary of which river? A. Krishna. B. Kaveri. C. Godavari. D. Narmada. Correct answer, B. Kaveri. 25. Malabar gliding frog, that was recently seen in news, is endemic to which region of India? A. Eastern Ghats. B. Northeastern. C. Western Ghats. D. Himalayas. Correct answer, C. Western Ghats. 26. White-cheeked partridge, that was recently seen in news, is mainly found in which region? A. Western Ghats. B. Northeast India. C. Chota Nagpur Plateau. D. Eastern Ghats. Correct answer, B. Northeast India. 27. Bondla Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? A. Goa. B. Maharashtra. C. Karnataka. D. Kerala. Correct answer, A. Goa. 28. Which international organization has adopted Motion 007 on soil security law, the world's first model legal framework for soil protection? A. United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP. B. World Wide Fund for Nature, WWF. C. Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. D. International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Correct answer, D. International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. 29. Which country has been hit by Hurricane Melissa? A. Jamaica. B. China. C. Japan. D. Mexico. Correct answer, A. Jamaica. 30. The Kunnar River, that was recently seen in news, flows through which two countries? A. India and Pakistan. B. Pakistan and Afghanistan. C. Afghanistan and Iran. D. Afghanistan and Tajikistan. Correct answer, B. Pakistan and Afghanistan. 31. The rainbow water snake was recently spotted for the first time in Uttar Pradesh in the buffer area of which tiger reserve? A. Dudha Tiger Reserve. B. Ranipur Tiger Reserve. C. Pilibhit Tiger Reserve. D. Amangarh Tiger Reserve. Correct answer, A. Dudha Tiger Reserve. 32. Shield-tail snake, that was recently seen in news, is endemic to which region? A. India and Bangladesh. B. India and Sri Lanka. C. Nepal and Bhutan. D. Bangladesh and Myanmar. Correct answer, B. India and Sri Lanka. 33. Which wetland has been designated as the first Ramsar site of Chhattisgarh? A. Ravishankar Sagar. B. Hasdeo Bango Reservoir. C. Dudhwa Reservoir. D. Kopra Reservoir. Correct answer, D. Kopra Reservoir. 34. What is the title of India's resolution adopted at United Nations Environment Assembly, UNIA 7, for wildfire management? A. Global Wildfire Response Initiative. B. Strengthening the global management of wildfires. C. International Forest Fire Prevention Resolution. D. Sustainable Forest Management and Wildfires. Correct answer, B. Strengthening the global management of wildfires. 35. The global crackdown on illegal wildlife and forestry trade conducted in 2025 was carried out under which operation? A. Operation Green Shield 2025. B. Operation Thunder 2025. C. Operation Wild Guard 2025. D. Operation Eco Watch 2025. Correct answer, B. Operation Thunder 2025. 36. Where is the headquarters of Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education, ICFRE, located? A. Dehradun. B. Shimla. C. Chennai. D. Kolkata. Correct answer, A. Dehradun. 37. India's largest circular stone labyrinth was recently discovered in which state? A. Karnataka. B. Gujarat. C. Maharashtra. D. Rajasthan. Correct answer, C. Maharashtra. 38. Parvatiyarga Bird Sanctuary, which was recently declared as an eco-sensitive zone, is located in which district of Uttar Pradesh? A. Saharanpur. B. Gonda. C. Raebareli. D. Gorakhpur. Correct answer, B. Gonda. 39. Indian skimmer, that was recently seen in news, is native to which region? A. Central Africa. B. Australia. C. Europe. D. Southern Asia. Correct answer, D. Southern Asia. 40. What is the IUCN conservation status of the Bactrian camel that was recently seen in news? A. Endangered. B. Critically endangered. C. Vulnerable. D. Least concern. Correct answer, B. Critically endangered. 41. Tanti Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? A. Kerala. B. Odisha. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer, D. Tamil Nadu. 42. Which state government has renamed Allam Wildlife Sanctuary as Allam Butterfly Sanctuary? A. Karnataka. B. Kerala. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer, B. Kerala. 43. The Zanskar River, that was recently seen in news, is a tributary of which major river system? A. Ganga. B. Indus. C. Brahmaputra. D. Narmada. Correct answer, B. Indus. 44. The Fink River, that was recently seen in news, is located in which country? A. Russia. B. Australia. C. New Zealand. D. France. Correct answer, B. Australia. 45. Pangolkha Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? A. Sikkim. B. Tripura. C. Assam. D. Meghalaya. Correct answer, A. Sikkim. 46. Sunabeda Wildlife Sanctuary, which was declared Maoist-free in January 2026, is located in which state? A. Odisha. B. Gujarat. C. Rajasthan. D. Kerala. Correct answer, A. Odisha. 47. Nalsarovar Bird Sanctuary is located in which state? A. Gujarat. B. Karnataka. C. Kerala. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer, A. Gujarat. 48. What are Namalicastus solnotognatha and Nereis dhritiae that were recently seen in news? A. New marine worm species. B. Invasive weeds. C. Traditional medicines. D. Newly discovered fish species. Correct answer, A. New marine worm species. 49. Spot-bellied eagle owl, which was recently spotted in Corbett Reserve, is popularly known by which name? A. Silent hunter. B. Ghost of the forest. C. Night falcon. D. Brown phantom. Correct answer, B. Ghost of the forest. 50. A new pistol shrimp species named Alpheus madhusudani has been discovered in which state? A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Odisha. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer, A. Kerala. 51. Virangana Durgavati Tiger Reserve, which is being developed as India's third cheetah habitat, is located in which state? A. Gujarat. B. Rajasthan. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer, D. Madhya Pradesh. 52. What is the IUCN conservation status of sloth bear that was recently seen in news? A. Critically endangered. B. Endangered. C. Vulnerable. D. Least concern. Correct answer, C. Vulnerable. 53. What is IUCN conservation status of Bengal florican that was recently seen in news? A. Endangered. B. Critically endangered. C. Vulnerable. D. Least concern. Correct answer, B. Critically endangered. 54. Megalopsilus arunacalensis and Megalopsilus mithun, that were recently seen in news, belongs to which species? A. Frog. B. Spider. C. Fish. D. Rove beetle. Correct answer, D. Rove beetle. 55. What is the current IUCN conservation status of emperor penguin and Antarctic fossil? A. Endangered. B. Critically endangered. C. Vulnerable. D. Least concern. Correct answer, A. Endangered. 56. Fimbrostylus venadensis, a plant species, was recently discovered from which region of India? A. Eastern Ghats. B. Himalayas. C. Chota Nagpur Plateau. D. Western Ghats. Correct answer, D. Western Ghats. 57. What is the current IUCN conservation status of southern elephant seal? A. Endangered. B. Critically endangered. C. Vulnerable. D. Least concern. Correct answer, C. Vulnerable. 58. A new species of bent-toed gecko, Cetodactylus raymonensis, has been discovered in which state? A. Manipur. B. Nagaland. C. Tripura. D. Assam. Correct answer, D. Assam. 59. Mukambika Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? A. Karnataka. B. Maharashtra. C. Kerala. D. Odisha. Correct answer, A. Karnataka. 60. Myophanes campi, a rare thread-legged assassin bug, was rediscovered after nearly 100 years in which region? A. Western Ghats. B. Sundarbans. C. Andaman Islands. D. Thar Desert. Correct answer, C. Andaman Islands. 61. Kali Tiger Reserve is located in which state? A. Karnataka. B. Odisha. C. Gujarat. D. Rajasthan. Correct answer, A. Karnataka. 62. A new species of bent-toed gecko, Cetodactylus raymonensis, has been discovered in which state? A. Manipur. B. Nagaland. C. Tripura. D. Assam. Correct answer, D. Assam. 63. The Fund for Responding to Loss and Damage, FRLD, operates under which framework? A. Paris Agreement only. B. Kyoto Protocol. C. United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. D. World Bank. Correct answer, C. United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. 64. Pekkara Lake, that was recently seen in news, is located in which state? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Karnataka. C. Maharashtra. D. Odisha. Correct answer, A. Tamil Nadu. 65. What is the IUCN conservation status of Barbary macaque that was recently seen in news? A. Critically endangered. B. Endangered. C. Vulnerable. D. Least concern. Correct answer, B. Endangered. 66. Diaphanes megalayanus and Diaphanes mollenong, that were recently seen in news, belongs to which species? A. Frog. B. Fish. C. Spider. D. Fireflies. Correct answer, D. Fireflies. 67. Great Himalayan National Park is located in which state? A. Uttarakhand. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Sikkim. D. Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer, B. Himachal Pradesh. 68. What are Euphorbia ananthapurmensis and Euphorbia chalamensis that were recently seen in news? A. Newly discovered plant species. B. Invasive weeds. C. Fungus. D. Newly discovered species of fish. Correct answer, A. Newly discovered plant species. 69. A new species of freshwater crab named Indopotamon alipodurans was recently discovered in which state? A. West Bengal. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Karnataka. Correct answer, A. West Bengal. 70. Genus Arakan, a rare species of snapper fish, was recently spotted in which state? A. Odisha. B. Maharashtra. C. Kerala. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer, A. Odisha. 71. What is Cyrtodactylus vardhigiri, that was recently seen in news? A. Invasive weed. B. Newly discovered species of fish. C. A type of fungus. D. Ground-dwelling gecko species. Correct answer, D. Ground-dwelling gecko species. 72. Barda Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? A. Gujarat. B. Rajasthan. C. Maharashtra. D. Karnataka. Correct answer, A. Gujarat. 73. What is the IUCN conservation status of the hog deer that was recently seen in news? A. Critically endangered. B. Endangered. C. Vulnerable. D. Least concern. Correct answer, B. Endangered. 74. A new frog species named Amolops kamal was recently discovered in which state? A. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Nagaland. C. Maharashtra. D. Assam. Correct answer, D. Assam. 75. What is Crotalaria fulae that was recently seen in news? A. Flowering plant. B. Traditional irrigation technique. C. A type of fungus. D. Exoplanet. Correct answer, A. Flowering plant. 76. The caracal, also known as the flying cat, was recently spotted in which national park of Madhya Pradesh? A. Pench National Park. B. Kuno National Park. C. Satpura National Park. D. Panna National Park. Correct answer, B. Kuno National Park. 77. What is Pseudocaprothermes novus that was recently seen in news? A. New species of soil-dwelling termite. B. A type of virus. C. Rare medicinal plant. D. New species of fish. Correct answer, A. New species of soil-dwelling termite. 78. A new bryophyte plant named Indocolia devendrai was recently discovered in which state? A. Maharashtra. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer, B. Kerala. 79. The Brahmani River, that was recently seen in news, is formed by the confluence of which rivers? A. Narmada and Tapti. B. Vamsadhara and Nagvali. C. Shank and South Koil. D. Batrani and Suvarnarekha. Correct answer, C. Shank and South Koil. 80. Sena spectabilis, that was recently seen in news, is a highly invasive plant native to which region? A. Africa. B. Southeast Asia. C. Australia. D. Tropical America. Correct answer, D. Tropical America. If you need explanation of these answers, then comment below for explanation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.